In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cards for tasks and ideas using Trello. Whether you're managing a team project or just looking to organize your personal tasks, creating cards on Trello can be a game changer for productivity and keeping everything in order. Let's break it down step by step so you can get started creating your own cards with ease. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your project board in Trello. You can do this by opening your web browser and entering the URL of your Trello board, or using the Trello app if you have it installed. Once you're on your project board, you should see an overview of all the lists you have created. These might be titled things like To Do, In Progress, or Done, or they might be customized to suit your specific project needs. Each list serves as a category where you can create individual cards to represent specific tasks or ideas. Now that you have your board open, the next step is to add a new card. Look for the option that says Add a Card within the list where you want your new task or idea to live. This typically appears at the bottom of each list. Clicking on Add a Card will prompt a new window or a pop-up where you can start typing out a title for your card. The title is crucial, as it gives you and your team a quick understanding of what the task or idea is about. Consider using clear, descriptive language so anyone can grasp what the card refers to at a glance. Once you've typed out your title, you can also click into the card to add more details. This can be helpful for more complex tasks or projects that require additional information. Here, you can attach files, set due dates, assign the card to team members, and even add checklists if there are multiple subtasks involved. Taking the time to flesh out these details can be incredibly helpful in ensuring everyone has the context they need and that no subtask gets overlooked. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to creating cards for tasks and ideas on Trello. Remember, the flexibility and simplicity of Trello mean you can easily tailor your board to meet your needs, whether it's for a collaborative team project or organizing your individual tasks. Utilize the various features Trello offers to make your task management as efficient and transparent as possible. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be navigating your project boards like a pro.